Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today we're going to make 盐焗鸡. In my opinion, this is the coolest way to cook a whole chicken. You're gonna need a lot of salt and the chicken is gonna be so delicious. After fully cleaning the chicken, pat dry with paper towels. So here I have a whole chicken, and traditionally Chinese people would keep everything, including the head and the feet, but my daughters don't really like them, so I'm just gonna cut them off. Season the entire chicken with salt. And cover it up with a plastic wrap. And let it sit in the fridge for overnight. Pat dry the chicken with paper towels again. We're also gonna pour sesame oil on the chicken and rub it all over. We're gonna wrap the chicken in parchment paper. Then tie it up with cooking twines. In a large wok, add in the coarse sea salt. Yep, this is a lot of sea salt, but don't worry, you can reuse it. Star anise, cinnamon, and Sichuan peppercorns. Over low heat, stir fry until the salt is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. In a large clay pot, transfer in a quarter of the salt and place the chicken inside and transfer in the rest of the salt. Over low heat, cook it for 2 hours. The chicken that we're using today is 3 pounds. You can add additional 30 minutes for every additional pound. Now we're gonna remove the salt on the top where it still looks nice and clean. You can save it up and reuse it next time. Now we're gonna carefully take out the chicken and open it up and served. Wow. The taste of the chicken is simply stunning. It's so delicious. It's fully infused with the taste of herbs and also salt. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. So if you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome recipe. So bye for now.